Miechu, who's coming now? Say that again?
Olencero.
And who's Olencero?
Like Santa Claus, but he comes from the mountains and he doesn't wear red. He wears a hat.
Yeah, what color is it?
Black.
And what is he? What does he do? Like Santa Claus?
He gives presents, but he doesn't come down the chimney.